average revenues from OnlyFans is about $180 per month. XSRUS has actually ground the numbers to come up with some estimated incomes by OnlyFans makers. They compute that the average accounts earn concerning $180 per month. People usually joke regarding quitting their work to create grown-up web content on OnlyFans. However, how much money do makers on the system in fact make? Just how much does an ordinary person make money on OnlyFans? First of all, we should mention that the incomes of leading and also typical OnlyFans developers differ dramatically. While those more preferred on the system have a big following, a typical OnlyFans designer only has 21 clients. When paired with the average admission fee of $7.20 per customer, this totals up to $151.20 each month gross. And also, exactly how does this contrast to another career where you start at an entry-level position? Let's say you obtained an entry-level task at a fast food restaurant, which, on average, pays $11 to $15 per hour. If that held true, you most definitely make more there than on OnlyFans each month. All in all, you can anticipate to make even more if you become a participant of the OnlyFans leading percentage income earners. Nonetheless, because it requires time to turn a profit, develop your brand, and obtain devoted clients, you'll require to place in some serious effort to arrive. Because of the nature of the site's paywalled as well as personal service design, tough numbers aren't simple to come by. However, individual finance internet site SpendMe approximates the typical account makes simply $220 per month. Designers bill anywhere from $7.50 to $75 for a month-to-month membership, which indicates you would certainly need between 3 as well as 30 customers to earn $220. SpendMe estimates the typical developer has 21 clients, paying an average of $11 per month. On the other hand, it's not hard to find people who declare to make much more than SpendMe's average gaining quote. Vlogger Michaela Salmontree has actually documented just how she made greater than $1,400 in her initial month on OnlyFans. Salmontree clarified this was divided about 50-50 between memberships as well as revenue from paid for exclusive interactions with her subscribers. Salmontree later on disclosed she went on to make more than $40,000 in her first 5 months and just over $150,000 in her initial year. Subscription fees represent 40% of this revenue, with the other 60% split uniformly between private interactions and affiliate costs made from referring other makers to OnlyFans.